In this video, we are going to discuss about order volume trading, how to optimize volume order block to plan for the best trading strategy, how to use volume order block to plan for trading. These blocks are crucial because they often act as support or resistance levels. When the price approaches a green block, it's likely to find support as traders who missed the previous buying opportunity may step in. Conversely, when the price reaches a red block, it may face resistance as sellers who missed the initial drop might enter the market. Let's start. First of all, open up the Indicator tab. Search for order blocks by Flux chart. Basically, just open up the indicator. After that, you can customize the indicator setting. In the setting, you can see there a swing length. Basically, swing length helps the indicator to find order blocks. The smaller the swing length, the smaller area order block will be discovered. Next, you can start to plan for your trading. Let's provide an example. First, find a relevant point to execute any trading strategy. We will use MACD histogram to act as a support indicator to provide any momentum reversal signal. Basically, at this area, MACD histograms show reversal in trend. And we found that the order block shows signal that green block is higher than red. Basically, this region will act as an intermediate support. We can start to plan for our trading. First, open up risk-reward projection. Plan for the take profit and stop loss strategy region. Make sure that the take profit and stop loss must be around resistance or support area to ensure more reliable strategy. And also, the risk-reward projection must be more than 1, so basically, your trade will be a more rewarding bias trade compared to loss. This is how you can plan for your trade using volume order block. It can act as a support or resistance to determine your trading strategy basic on supply and demand. If you want to learn more, you can check the next video to learn other best indicator.